Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how to use Telegram browser. So let's begin. First, open the Play Store and update Telegram. Once updated, tap on Open. Then go to your saved messages and click on any link, such as google.com. You'll now be able to use Telegram browser to search for topics and visit any website without leaving the app. If you tap on the three-dot icon, you'll find basic settings for the Telegram browser, such as saving bookmarks and searching directly on any website. Bookmark links are automatically saved in your saved messages. You can also adjust settings by typing the three-dot icon again and go into Settings. Here, you can change the search engine, add websites to be excluded from Telegram's in-app browser, view, clear your history, cache, and cookies. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!